Hello, I'm at Division Street and moving towards a Ukrainian village. But what I came across is this beautiful mural blocked by a Chicago police officer, so I will tolerate that. And it is the birds of Latin America. It was first painted in 1980 and then refurbished in 2005, and it was made by Ramirez. I'll have to get closer and look at his name, and the youth of the area to inspire pride in Latin American culture and in their neighborhood. Very colorful. Let me see if I can get the name of Ramirez. See if I can back up here so we're not slaughtered by this beautiful picture. Flamingos, by the way, play a very prominent role in Lincoln Park Zoo area. Okay, it was made by Mr. Gamaliel Ramirez, and then also by his friend Jose Samuel Sepulveda. I don't want to slaughter it. Birds of South America.